Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing algorithms used in data structures and algorithms, or DSA for short. DSA is a fundamental concept in computer science that deals with organizing and manipulating data efficiently. To accomplish this, we use algorithms that perform specific tasks on the data structures. So let's get started. First is sorting algorithms. One of the most common algorithms used in DSA is sorting. Sorting algorithms are used to arrange data in a specific order, such as numerical or alphabetical. Some of the popular sorting algorithms include bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort, and heap sort. Second is searching algorithms. Searching algorithms are used to locate an element within a data structure. Some popular searching algorithms include linear search, binary search, and hashing. Third is graph algorithm. Graph algorithms deal with finding the shortest path between two nodes, finding the minimum spanning tree, and many other graph-related operations. Some of the popular graph algorithms include breadth-first search, depth-first search, Dijkstra's algorithm, Prim's algorithm. Fourth is dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is an optimization technique that breaks down a complex problem into smaller subproblems and then solves them individually. It is often used in optimization problems such as the knapsack problem or the longest common subsequence problem. Fifth is divide and conquer. Divide and conquer is a technique that divides a problem into smaller subproblems, solves them individually, and then combines the solutions to solve the original problem. It is often used in algorithms such as merge sort, quick sort, and binary search. Sixth is backtracking. Backtracking is a technique used to solve problems that involve finding all possible solutions. It involves starting with an initial solution and then trying out all possible solutions by making small changes to the current solution until the desired result is achieved. It is often used in algorithms such as the n-queens problem or the Sudoku solver. In conclusion, DSA is an essential concept in computer science, and algorithms play a crucial role in it. We discussed some of the popular algorithms used in DSA, including sorting, searching, graph algorithms, dynamic programming, divide and conquer, and backtracking. As you continue to learn about DSA, you'll come across many more algorithms that are equally important. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.